Want Japan-exclusive Weverse albums and POBs? Here's the easiest way to order them with Rakufun. Step 1. Add your items on Weverse Shop. Browse Weverse Shop and add the albums or merch you want. Make sure you choose the Japan shipping version. It usually offers Japan-exclusive benefits and avoids expensive shipping from Korea. Step 2. Estimate the shipping cost. Use Rakufun's warehouse address as the delivery address to check the shipping fee, then divide the total shipping cost by the number of items. For example, if 2 items share a total shipping fee of 800 yen, each item will be calculated as 400 yen shipping. Can't find the shipping fee? No worries. If you're not sure about the shipping fee, you can enter 0 first and submit your Link2Buy request. Our team will check the order and let you know the correct shipping fee if needed. Simply update the information and submit it again. Step 3. Submit with Link2Buy. Open Rakufun and go to Link2Buy. Paste the product link, fill in the required information, then tap Add to Cart. Need to choose a member? Simply add the member's name in the product title. Different products need to be submitted separately. If you want to buy multiple quantities of the same product, simply adjust the quantity. Step 4. Submit and wait for review. Check your cart, then submit your order. You can track your order review status anytime on the Link2Buy page. Our team usually reviews it within 1 to 2 business days. If approved, we'll place the order for you. Step 5. Ship everything together. Once your items arrive at Rakufun's warehouse, you can consolidate them with Mercari, Animate, or any other Japan purchases, and ship everything in one package.
Good!
Shopping from Japan is easier than you think. Start Japan shopping with Rakufun now.
Rakufun from Japan to your door.